Okay, sorry. I was saying I think I'm live, but let me check and see. Hello, hello. And yes, I am live. I don't want to hear my own voice for the whole stream, so let's see. Also, ignore this part. This is just uh, new support that we added for Tempo testnet. So I was updating the documentation. Let me share stream Chrome properties. What is this? Docs. I want to go to docs.nvo.dev. Okay, I'm just trying to figure figure things out. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. There is a slight overlap, so let me adjust this part. If let's see. Okay, there is still a lot of overlap. Okay, everything works properly. Also, let me know if I'm too big on the screen, like I can make myself smaller. Okay, I don't think that's a good idea. Or yeah, I'll make myself smaller here. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see me correctly, and let me tweet that I'm live, and then we can start. Also open recent Oracle Wars, Uniswap work. There are a lot of things which are not okay. DuckDB. Okay, quote give live now. Live now. Okay, I need to also edit video. I need to edit the title. Part 2 on YouTube. Okay, we have already spent a lot of time. You guys can see all the hopefully you guys can see all the things that I'm seeing. So let's see who comes. Also, I wanted to share the tempo, right? Tempo network. Oh, sorry. Tempo tempo. Okay, work. We just added support for tempo testnet. So let's check it out. Okay, now what we can do is go here, go to Paracat, then collect, decode. Okay, we want to see is it stream config? Yes, stream config, column mapping. decoded logs. Value. Okay, I think when we are decoding things, it needs types for for the fields. So that's why it's giving this. For address, I guess it's string. Okay, where is stream config? Okay. Event signature, that's true. Can we do, I want to check if we can combine things. Hex output. Okay, let's read this and we can figure things out. Let's see. Event signature, no. Column mapping for stream function output. It lets you map your column to whatever data type you want. Okay. Data from to value. Yesterday we did see something, right? We are doing 100. Yeah, we can do multiple. I don't think that there will be any issue. What we are doing? Let's see. History. env dash file. No. Source slash index.js. Okay, this command, let's run it. Okay, value is there. What I want to do is here in the query we have join, right? Where is join mode? Okay, join mode, selects join mode. Default join order is logs transaction blocks. Join everything to everything. For example, log selection, there associates transaction of log 0, then log that transaction as well. Okay, we should do like join all. Yes, I think we should do join all. Join mode, join mode dot join all, and alt. Okay, I want to check. Let's go here again. Then config. What can we do? Number of traces, byte ceiling. Okay, reverse. I don't really care about reverse. I think column mapping only. Logs. I want to see. I do need help from the team. I'll ask the team tomorrow. One of the team members, Jano. I think he will know what to do here to get this. I'm gonna put this in ChatGPT and see what it says. How can I get paraquet file with timestamp? After query, the variable is stream config, and in stream config we have column mapping. Config add timestamp to file level timestamp. No. Okay, so what it's saying is we can do block, then what it's saying timestamp, but do we have, yes we do have it, timestamp. What should we do? Like it's uint64, right? Can we run and see if we get it? No, it doesn't get included in the for some reason it doesn't get included there. um, can you show me how to log first 10 entries from paraquet file? I just want to check if we are at least inserting it in the DB, in the file, but I don't know. Oh, can we do like timestamp? Run all print preview. Let's see, paraquet path. We have it. Print preview, and we can remove this. I don't really care. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Not really sure why we are getting. I know we can obviously do this. Also, I will confuse people if they join in. So let me switch to HyperSync docs. Okay. Yes. Okay. And I think what I need to do is I need to understand the stream config and what's happening. Just stream, not collect packet. Stream config, it does have this. It returns something. It returns the data. Then we have to manually modify that. And we have to do like, uh, where, where is the example? Do we have example here? No, we don't have example here. So HyperSync node client examples and not watch. Okay, height streaming will remain same. It doesn't really, it too won't really change. So let's see. Event type. Oh, that's cool. Can we? It's, oh, it says stream height, but we'll also get receive, right? Uh, okay, function stream event stream. Okay, we are not doing event stream. We will be doing just stream, which will return us query response stream, not this. I guess difference between these three are this stream's height of the blockchain of the hypersync and latest block on that. This will stream the events and this will stream the response for that query. So if you're saying go from this to this, yeah, I think so. Collect, get height, get. Okay, what should we do? What should we do? Also, did anyone join? No, there is no one on the stream today. So our watch time is going up because I am the only one watching. Okay. Anyway, uh, as I was saying, we need to change something here. And let's remove this whole thing. We don't really care. We, oh, we are not even doing correct thing. That's ridiculous. Uh, let's go back. Then the timestamp is worst because we are doing everything wrong in that. We will say timestamp and let's try to run it. Okay, let's go back and remove everything except for the query part. Remove this, and this. We don't need it. Go to other example. Which example can we take? Okay, let's take this example. Client.get, and we'll shorten this to maybe 5 blocks. So we can console log everything. We'll say console.log submitting query const response equal to await client.get query okay response. What type will it return? Control F, get height, get query response. Okay, let's first import that type. Go here and say query response. Res dot data dot logs. Okay. Okay. Data dot logs. We'll also do data dot logs. Run it and see what. Okay, that's excellent. We just choose okay. Am I doing something wrong, or do we have to go like 1000 blocks? Okay, we should check if we are at least getting something. Ether scan. Let's go 12. So in this block, we'll at least get one. Paste that, and 2 block 7, 26. Okay, that's good. That's great actually, not just good. It's great. Now what we want to do is we want to transaction index. Okay, we want to understand how this thing work, how joining works. Join mode, Control F, join mode, joins all the available data. Okay, can we just log like data instead of I want to say create JSON file with the results. Recommend me, dude. Okay. Import fs. Let's see. Do we get logs.json? Okay, that's cool. We did get few things. Let's, okay, we can't close that. Let me see. Oh, no. Okay, that's why. It was adding response.data dot logs, not just data. Now this should have something more, something more. Okay. I don't know how these things are getting joined. So are there, can you see any hash? No. Okay. It's joint mode default. Okay, doing this is much better. No, it's not better at all. Also, just assume I don't know anything because I haven't spent that much time with this. If you remember, this was much bigger. The file wasn't this short. Let's run it again and see. You see, something is changing. So, okay, no. Can you do block? Okay, let's ask. Not ask, but check join, working with join modes. Joins connects the related blockchain data automatically, unlike SQL joins that combines the row, determines which related records to include in the response. Join mode logs transaction blocks. When you run query, you get automatic your query logs. When you query logs, you automatically get their associated transactions. Those transactions trace are included. The blocks contain the transactions are included. Join mode all creates a more comprehensive network of related data. Join mode transaction. Get a transaction that created it, logs from that transaction. Not just, okay, join all, we get all the logs from that transaction. So let's see. Oh yeah, you see. Okay, that's cool. Join nothing is most restrictive. Only data matching. Sorry, data. Only data directly matching your selection criteria is returned with no related records. Okay. Best practices: minimize field selection. Only request fields you actually need to improve performance. Use appropriate limits. Set this is as whatever. Sorry. Use appropriate limits. So max underscore num underscore. There are logs, transactions, and I think blocks. Process in chunks, use pagination or okay. Analytics workload, use Paraket for efficient storage. Okay. Handle chain tip carefully. Hmm. Understood. Like the part of it, not whole thing. So let me check. Let me think about it. What should I do? I think one way to go about it is get like go here, block number. If we run it again, also let me. Okay. Now what we can do if we go here. Also, I want join nothing. I just want what I asked for. Okay. Oh, but in field selection, I did ask for this. No related, but it wasn't related record. I did ask for block. Okay, that's one question that I need to ask. Okay, now if you see, we can associate this with this and do a whole lot of things. Okay, sorry. So that's my idea where I'll ask this part to ChatGPT. Say do stream instead of client. Do stream response. Yeah, stream response. In query response, we have next block number, archival height, current height of the source. Logic. Let me put like okay. Show me code snippet. Oh, okay. Also, we haven't done like control F decode inputs, decoded values. Okay, indexed body. Okay, this will be tricky because decoded events don't sorry, they don't return rest of the data. So we have like two issues where we need to associate block timestamp with also. Do we have like transaction timestamp timestamp sorry, transaction, then we do like no Do we have block? We have block number. We have a lot of things, but they are not timestamps. Okay, Control F, timestamp. Block field. Okay, so we only have timestamp for blocks, and that's how we need to think about these kind of things. We don't have individual timestamps. I don't even know if we can get individual timestamps. Yes, no. Let me see transactions. Let's take this and see transaction was produced. So it's 322.59. 322.59. Can we go like, okay, back. Okay, I think it's just based on blocks. So we don't have any idea about, or we don't need anything related to block transaction timestamp, because all the analytics works on block timestamps. Okay, so two connections, associate block timestamp with logs, associate logs with, okay, log fields with decoded logs. Control F, decode logs. Okay, no. Let's see if there is a function. Okay, yeah. Decoder, we do have that. It takes logs array which we already have. Enable checksum, no. From signature, create a decoder from signature. So we need to create first a decoder and then use this. Let me first sorry, let me first put this in Notion and my questions, because they are important. Afterwards, after the stream, I will send the team these questions, and they will help me. Yeah, they should be able to like help me, because this is a skill issue, and they are much more skilled than me. So yeah, first question is how to associate decoded log values with other log fields, because after decoding it, we lose them. We don't lose them, we lose the association. And next, what was the next question? I completely forgot about the next question. I think it was Yeah, it was about paraquet file question regarding paraquet file. How to how to sorry how to put how to associate other values related to logs or blocks or transaction and insert them in paraquet file. We can always do everything uh, with like our logic, but if there is a built-in way to do that, that would be better. Also, sorry if my video was bad. Okay, now what we want to do is uh, oh, we already done like 40 minutes of stream. That's good. So query response. Okay, let's put this response here. Just now what we want to do is we want to do okay, we can also decode log synchronously, async synchronously, event sync. Okay, I am confused. What is okay? We I didn't know about this. Huh? So please get events. Okay, this is interesting. Let's see this and what get. I want to see the logs, see the events. Oh, sorry. It will return event response. I want type event response. Go down, change this, and run it again. Okay, now. Oh, this is much better. This is what I wanted. Stream events. Okay, instead of stream, we will do stream events, and I think it should work. It should 100% work. So let's go like back. Okay, we have this. Let's save this and decoded paraquet file. Okay, now paraquet file. Oh, okay. Can I say decode events? Okay, decoded events. It has, I don't know, what's this? Decoded soul value. What soul? But anyway, it's useful. I I didn't know that this was possible. It's interesting. it's definitely very interesting. Let's see event stream. We do everything same. Collect paraquet blockchain data and saves it here. Okay, there is no inbuilt function for paraquet files. Uh, to save, to save the events instead of logs. So let's see how this goes. Okay, remove this. We don't need that now. We'll take this, put it here, I guess here. It's array, right? Array of events. It will be array of events. Now we want to decode that thing. So let's go. What what was the function? Decode events. Const decoder equal to decoder dot from signature. Oh, not from signatures. Okay, that's the only. Now we need to do const decoded events equal to decoder dot decode events. Await response dot data. Now we want to do decoded events. Okay, I don't know if this is correct or not, so let's do like event dot body dot, oh sorry, event dot indexed and transfer of. Okay, I think this is just blatantly wrong. Okay, now we'll do from event dot indexed and 0. Then we will have 2, 1 and value event dot body and first. Let's see if this works. Also, where is error? Expected a comma and where did it expect a comma? I don't know where it is. Let me check. Don't know. Why? Oh, okay. I guess we haven't. Yes. Now that it's done, let me run this. Oh, something. Can we do fs dot write file sync? Okay. And hopefully that works. We can't serialize begin. I knew that issue. I knew that issue. Let's ask it. Serialize begin in this function. Okay, that works. Decoded events. Body indexed first, then value. Oh, understood. So here we need to do like value dot value dot value, and it should console log things now. Okay, works. We still have the issue where we are not associating the block timestamp. So this part we have timestamp, right? We also need that timestamp in the DB. So what can we do to preserve it? Can we do index? For each value callback function indexed and then array. Okay, index, let's just say index, run it, and we have 0 1 2. We also need to add the response fs dot write raw events, and what we can do here is timestamp response dot data index block timestamp block and then timestamp. Response dot data, and we know it will be index question dot block dot question mark dot timestamp. Let's see if that works. Okay, it does, and it should be correct. Now last part that is remaining is doing the while loop and pushing this data in the stream events, stream events. It returns event stream. I need one more data type, event stream. While okay, event stream, what type? Okay, event response. Next block is greater than uh, okay, next block to query for response and paginate. So caller should continue from this block if they didn't get response up to 2 blocks specified. Can we say next block is greater than equal to archive height? At that, yeah, at that point just stop. We can say that. Okay, why? But it does have. Why we are getting error? Res dot receive dot data. Okay, receive dot. Okay, there are a bunch of things, but none. Event stream. Okay, sorry about that. Receive. Do we need like stream client? We don't have stream config. Let's just pass this. We'll do await. Let stream recv equal to, and then stream recv dot data. Okay. Change res data to this. Now what we will do, event type. Okay, stream receive, create a while loop till res stream receive dot archive height is greater than equal to stream receive dot next block. That's the idea here. Let's put this put all those fields other than index in DuckDB. Okay. Also, I think we are done for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll continue this part tomorrow. It's just writing while loop and pushing it to DuckDB. Nothing, nothing that interesting. We just have to make some changes. So yeah, okay. Hopefully you guys like the stream. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, I don't know what to say. I'll try to improve. And yeah, that's the stream. See you guys tomorrow. You guys already know the topic. And you will join me back. Have a nice day. Bye.